Welcome back to Overheat. The 2026 Brabus Motorhome is a combination of exclusivity, power, and luxury. Exterior, elegance and dominance of Brabus. The focal point will be the iconic Brabus front grille featuring a Big B emblem. High-tech DRL-equipped LED headlights. Custom aerodynamic body to cut weight and boost efficiency. Carbon fiber and other lightweight materials are used. Advanced exterior lighting to improve visibility at night. The RV will include LED lighting throughout in addition to headlights. High-tech windows and doors. The entry door will have biometric security and an automated opening system. Double privacy glass with sound and heat reduction features will be used for the windows. Inside, Unending Luxuriance. The Most Opulent Substances, Brabus Masterwork Every seat, door panel, and even the ceiling is made of leather. Premium metal accents, chrome, matte gold, or billet aluminum will be used to make accessories like door knobs, switches, and frames. Kitchen. The kitchen will have top-notch amenities such as a built-in coffee maker, a full-size refrigerator and freezer, a convection oven, microwave, and an induction cooktop. King-size bed. A king-size bed with a premium mattress will be located in the master bedroom. LED ambient lighting that may be adjusted throughout the entire interior. Technology and performance. Brabus Biturbo Engine Modified. Brabus will swap out the factory engine for a heavily altered gasoline or diesel engine. This will most likely be a V8 or even V12 that has been Brabus-tuned to produce a lot more power than the factory model. High-performance automatic transmission. The massive torque may be handled by a Brabus-tuned automatic transmission. Brabus High-Performance Braking System. The multi-piston calipers of the Brabus High-Performance Braking System have a lot of power. High-level security system, GPS tracking, a 360-degree camera monitoring system, an advanced alarm, and even body and window armoring for optimal safety, lighting, temperature, entertainment. Smart home system control.